What's good? I'm Juan Don. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I will be doing a quick unboxing review on the With the Air Jordan 5s. Alright, let's go ahead and bust them open. Dun dun dun. Alright. Release date November 12th, 2020. Retail starts at $220. Fits true to size. With the cement paper wrapping, the official sticker right there. Official sticker right there. All authentic. These are sold out pretty much everywhere. You can go to your local sneaker boutiques to find them. Red at the top. Green glow at the bottom of the sole. Green lace locks. Go ahead and dim that down. 3M on the tongue. Fits true to size. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air interior. Here you go. Icy bottom. Green glow. Yellow top. Clear lace lock. This shoe right here is just a shoe that you want to have in your collection. The name speaks for itself, the With the Retro Air Jordan 5s. You can only wear but so much with these anyway. So this is something you might just want to store away, say, I got them. But it's a clean shoe. It's a unique, interesting shoe. But pretty much, I'm gonna show some cutscenes to get a better look at it, but yes sir, With the Air Jordan 5s.